What up, YouTube? This is Samuel Munoz, and I'm here back on YouTube showing you an update on the Lowrider Bike, Blue Mamba. So you see that I got the twisted grips, chrome, same thing both sides. See the rims, tires, bandana. Oh, and I got the seat post right here, twisted. And then, so yeah, I got the seat installed. All I'm missing is a crank, the sprocket, and the pedals, you know. And I do plan on getting the extended crown and add the slammer so I can slam the bike and lift it up. And yeah, and the fenders with the double twist brace. Then I'm gonna add the steering wheel, the light bulb, well, not light bulb, the headlights. Then I'm gonna get the headlights with the twisted trim. I'm gonna install the siren, speaker, mirrors. So yeah, little by little, you know. And I gotta get a kickstand so I can have it stop leaning against the table. But yeah, so far so good. I hope you guys enjoy the bike. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, Yo Soy Candelario, and peace out.